Alright friends, here we go. First you want to take your white piece of paper. Now parents, if you don't want too much of a mess, I would suggest you take a white sheet of paper and put it underneath, or a piece of construction paper, put it underneath. That way you won't have any issues with paint going through the construction paper. Just a little tidbit. But we are going to take our brown paint and we're going to shake it up, open the top, and then we're going to put a squirt of paint right in the middle of our paper. Then we're going to take our fork and we're going to start bringing it out, bringing all this paint out. Just like you would a paintbrush, we're using the fork the same way. It's gonna make the reindeer look like it has some fur. But you want to keep going when you want to go all the way around. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you want your reindeer head to be pretty big, you may need a little bit more paint. But just know the more paint you use, the longer it takes for it to dry. And I don't know about you all, but I'm not a very patient person. I like my stuff to be done ASAP. Now when you got your paint spread all over just the way you want it, you're going to take it and you're going to put it off to the side so it can start drying. You can put your fork over there too. Then what you want to do is you want to get your brown construction paper. And then you want to go ahead and get your pencil, and we're going to trace our hand on our paper. You're going to do both hands, okay? So make sure that you have enough room on your paper for both hands. My antlers are going to be kind of on the big side because I have some pretty big hands. There's one of them. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is. I'm going to turn this the other way, and I'm going to do my other hand. Try to get it on there so that you all can see it. And there's number 2. After you get this done, we're going to cut the hands out. So grab your scissors and let's cut out our hands. Alright, there's my first hand. You can definitely pause the video if it's going to take you some time to get all your hands cut out, or you can fast forward to the next part. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out my next hand. And don't forget to save all your scrap paper, because we'll use some of this paper for other projects that we're going to do during Craft Panda Christmas. So make sure that you save your scraps. They're important. All right, number 2. Here we go. Our number 2 hand is done. All right, we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna put them off to the side. Don't forget, save your scraps. Next, we're going to cut out our reindeer's nose. Get our red paper, and we're gonna take our pencil and we're going to draw an oval. And there's our oval. Not the best. That's okay. No biggie. Now we're going to get our scissors and we're going to go ahead and cut this oval out. All right, there's our nose. Now we are going to get all of our pieces and get ready to put them together. So we have our nose, we have our hands for our antlers, and now we need our dried reindeer face or head. You can pick which side that you want your antlers to go and what side you want your antlers to go. So if you want them to go on this side, like this, that's just fine. Sometimes you can cut it out. If you want to, that's fine too. I'm gonna go ahead and cut around my picture. So there's our reindeer's head. Now we're going to take our glue and try to open it. There we go. And we're going to take our first hand and we're just going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our hand and put it on the back of our paper and push down. So there's one antler. And now we're going to take our other hand and do the same thing. A little bit of glue. And then put it on the back of the head of our reindeer. So then there's our reindeer antlers. Next, we're going to take our nose and we're going to decide where we want our nose at. I think right there looks good. So we're going to take our glue and we're going to put a bunch of glue on there so it stays on our paper. So there we go. Turn it over and put it on. Pat it down. And there's our nose. Ooh, our reindeer's coming together, friends. This is exciting. Okay, do you remember that white construction paper that we used? Well, we're going to get those pieces out because we want to save everything, right? That's right, boys and girls. And then what we want to do is we're going to make some eyes. So we're going to need 2 circles. And you don't have to make the eyes super big or super perfect. That's my eye. Now I'm going to do another one. There's the other one. That one's a little smaller than the other one that I made, but it's all right. So now we're going to take our glue and we're going to take our white construction paper and put some glue on it. And then decide where you want to put the eye and place it. All right, he's coming along. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other one. And put it on. Ooh. There he is. Now lastly, we're going to take our black marker. It could be a permanent marker, it could be a magic marker, whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to put our pupils. And there you have it. Our fork painted reindeer. Ooh, he is a mess right now, but that's all right. He's my happy mess. All right, friends, I want to thank you for today and for joining me, and hope that you'll check in tomorrow with me at 10 a.m. for our next craft. Until then, bye.